we are going to try our hand at live bat removal. The problem with these bats, you can see them in the corner up there. There's two of them and they're hunkered down and they do not want to leave. So I can't really use a container or a box to get them because these stones are all uneven. So there's no way I can just box them and then slide, a lid over them.
You can't. You might be able to use this,
No, that's too round.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do a kind of a dangerous thing because I need to get them out of the corner because I cannot catch them in the corner. So I'm going to poke them until they leave the corner and then we're going to hopefully see where they land. We're going to try to steer clear of them and then hopefully they'll land in a place that we can capture them, or they might head out the front door over there. We left it wide open. So that would be the best. We don't want to hurt the little guys. We like bats because they're very useful at catching mosquitoes and other harmful critters. All right, so here we go. Okay, you might want to stand aside.
It would be too rough. I think you better use something a little finer. You're gonna hurt it.
Well, you said they wouldn't go.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna hurt them.
Okay. You want to use the yardstick instead?
Oh, did you hear him? He squeaked. Come on, get out of there. I'm not hitting them very hard. I'm just kind of poking at them gently. Man, talk about hard to wake. These guys do not want to wake up.
We better use the broom.
Come on. Come on, get out of there.
Hey, you're just hurting them. They're not gonna
Okay,
move.
try the yardstick. I think I can get the broom into the corner.
Okay. Yeah, that seems like it works. I'm always biting the yardstick. Don't want them to bite you.
Time to wake up, buddy. Time to wake up. You've got to wake up. You can't sleep in our house anymore. I don't want to hurt you.
Here, use the broom. I think you're hurting him. Don't hurt him.
He's not hurting, he's just upset.
Like his little wings, like don't hurt his little wing.
I'm being real gentle. I can feel him grabbing a hold of this. Come on out. You gotta get out.
He tries the broom. Might be so much more irritating. Ah, he's coming.
Get ready. You gotta go. No, don't go back in.
Scoot him down.
I think it's just one. Isn't it?
No, it's two. Oh, he's got his baby. That's why he doesn't want
Aw.
to go.
You keep going, you were getting him.
Oh, you do. I don't want to hurt it.
Ooh, he's getting ready to fly. I'm sorry, buddy. Don't be mad. I just need to get you out of here.
Wish we had those old people pinchy things. Do you need to go get it from the Dollar General?
Get out. Get out.
Don't hurt it. Don't hurt it. He's trying to protect his baby.
I know.
There's feeding more. Nope.
Don't hit me. Okay.
I was
Okay, where's the? Give me the thing.
Here.
Okay. Here. Hold this.
Okay.
Okay, give me the.
Here.
So we got him in this container. Hope I'm not hurting him.
Okay. Just put him out the door.
I'm gonna get him out the door.
Okay, I'm gonna close the door. Let's just get back
Should
in.
I wait and try to get the baby?
Yes.
Here, put the camera on that thing
Okay.
in case he escapes.
So Gina the Great.
I think that one might have got out. I'm not sure.
I don't see how. I don't think so.
Yeah, it's not in here.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
Yeah. So okay, Craig chased the bats all around the house, and now we're releasing them. Oh, don't squish it.
So here's the two bats. We reunited them, which is pretty cool. And we're going to release them together. All right? And oh, look at them. They're kissing. Don't get too close. Oh, the other camera should have that, hopefully.
Oh no.
Here, let me see it. Let me record.
Here.
So, as you can see,
recording, right?
yeah.
Okay.
As you can see, he wants to get some time on my cell phone. You're making my phone dirty there, buddy. Okay, I'm going to take my phone away. It's going to be up to you guys to make your way to freedom. They are not doing too good. They were flying around the house, though, so they are still in decent shape. Okay, let's see if we can get these guys to fly away, because we do not want them around here.
Just get bitten, it'll cost a lot of money. Stay away.
Yeah, I got the camera set up. I'm just going to poke them to fly away.
Okay.
I'm going to give them a little poke, encourage them to fly off.
I'm not going to let them fly back in.
Okay. Go on, guys. Go on. Fly away. I know you're in the middle of your winter nap. Go on. Go on, you wake up too.
Okay.
Okay, you gotta go join your buddy. Go on.
He wants to fly at my face.
Go on. There he goes.
Ah, yay!
Yay, they're still fine. They're good. We have managed to rescue two bats and return them to their natural habitat. The one other than our house.